universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Stars, planets, moons, they're all space, and that's science.
Dum 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 dum.
Dum.
Science!
Outer space
Outer space, outer space, outer space.
is so large that you cannot perceive it fully from Earth. For at least half a century, scientists have been putting various devices and probes into outer space to help us observe the universe better. Some major examples would have to be the Voyager probe, Apollo 11, even the Hubble telescope. But the most predominant, in my opinion, would have to be the Pioneer 11.
Be dooba dooby dooby dooba. Science!
Oh, I'm sorry. But you see, the Pioneer 11 was a lot like me. It's exploring. It's mission type with a flyby. And you know what it does? It says, hey, creators of the universe. I saw what you did there. Good one. The Pioneer 11 was launched 1973, April 6th. Now you see, the Pioneer 11 had major contributions to science. For one, we found out that the average temperature of Saturn is negative 180 degrees Celsius. Now, at first, okay, it's just a temperature, but actually, that means that Saturn emits almost 2.5 times the heat that it receives from the sun.
What?
Yeah. Now, also, the Pioneer was the first probe to pass Saturn, and it was the first to take pictures of the polar regions of Jupiter. Yeah. Also, the Pioneer 11 gave conclusive evidence that Saturn has a liquid nitrogen core. You know what that means? It means, unlike my brother, it's not a complete gas giant. So let's look at a step-by-step analysis of how the Pioneer 11 went through our solar system. The probe was launched in 1973 as it went towards the asteroid belt in 1974. Eventually, 2 months later, it made its way to Jupiter, and using the immense orbit of Jupiter, it propelled itself towards Saturn. After 5 years of intense patience from the scientists and an extensive journey by the Pioneer, it eventually made it to Saturn, making it the first ever man-made object to take pictures of Saturn. That's cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I suppose it has come to this. But I actually think I'm going to win this time. Yeah. So, should we start?
Yes, we are going to start.
Alright. First
And
question.
yes, your first question is, what is the weight of the Pioneer 11?
What is 2.59 times 10 to the power of 2 kilograms?
Sure, that is correct. Alright, your second question. What is the duration of the Pioneer mission?
What is 22 years?
From?
From 1973 to 1995.
Your third question. Who was in charge of the Pioneer launch?
What is NASA?
Yes. Alright. Your fourth question. What did the Pioneer 11 discover about Saturn previously unknown to scientists?
I got that one. Okay, so the Pioneer 11 discovered that the average temperature of Saturn is negative 180 degrees. Also, it discovered a new ring called ring F, and finally, it also discovered that Saturn had a small moon. Yeah, scientists never knew that before, so yeah.
That is also correct. You are on a roll.
Yes, I am.
Your fifth question. In what direction is Pioneer 11 moving?
Towards the constellation Scorpion.
Yes. Bonus round. Answer 6 facts in 25 seconds.
Alright, I got this. When does the time start?
Time starts now.
The launch vehicle was actually secure. The spacecraft was 2.9 meters long. It contained a 2.74 diameter high gain antenna. The nominal power was 6.165 watts. Pioneer 11 contained a plaque, a gold-plated carbon plaque actually, that showed a man and a woman, and it depicted them. And also, it showed the location of our sun, the planet, and the galaxy. The Pioneer 11 is now traveling at 3.7399647755 times 10 to the power of 8 kilometers a year. Is that all right?
That was amazing.
Just like all good things come to an end, so did the life of the Pioneer 11 servicing the world. Yes, the Pioneer 11 has now traveled so far that we will not be able to communicate with it. So, on 1995, they discontinued the Pioneer 11's journey with us. And now, the Pioneer 11, like a ghost ship, is traveling the universe by itself. And just like the Pioneer 11's journey, this show also has to come to an end. But our ending, it'll be a lot more happier. Stay tuned for the bibliography.
Dum 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 dun 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 dun
I love science.
na 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 na.
I love science!
Dun 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 dun.
Salty the science guy. Salty the science guy. Salty the science guy. Salty the science guy. Salty the science guy.
Dun 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 dun.
I love science, sucker.